Come back to Wonder Boy. Today I just manuring the corn. No fertilizer. And this is chicken manure that I'm doing. So watch me along the journey. And ladies and gentlemen, if you ask me why the worm don't eat it, what I use sprays, I use the fob soap and I use the peroxide, mix them together and I just sprays them. So the fob soap keep away all bugs off of it. So that's what I use on this one. But at the same time I'm just experiment and the fob soap and the peroxide, and so far it do me good. So far. Guys, you see the corns, them still alive. You have to make sure the corn them healthy. And I sure are gonna have a good feast of this corn. Real good feast of these corn. Cause they are so healthy. No bugs, no worm. No bugs, ladies and gentlemen, no worm. They are healthy. Man, you just wanna pay attention to your garden. Each time you got a chance. So when I do this now, I go get the haze, do all the waste haze them, what the cows, the goats and the sheep and the cows them don't eat, and I just put them at the root for them to get cool. So when they grow up tall corn like this, and you will have 1 or 2 or 3 corns on each limb, each corn stalk. Each corn stalk will give you 1 or 2 bearing, or 3. I see them bear 3 too. So this is what I'm doing, ladies and gentlemen. So right here I got red peas, I got cabbage, I got scallion, sweet pepper, string bean, okra, cucumber in this one little area. So you don't need a big area to grow a lot of stuff. You just have to situate them, put them into formal shape and line. and they all bear at the same place. So if you have a little strip like this will feed you for a whole year. If you rotate your crop, put in a different crop every month, and so when one crop off, you have one crop on. When one crop on, you have one crop off, and therefore you will have a lot of things to eat and eat healthy. So they're gonna love this manure. It's like they fertilizer now, ladies and gentlemen. So you're gonna see they jump up and take off. Because I didn't manure them as yet. I just mold them. So now they're getting the manure. So they're gonna be nice, ladies and gentlemen. They're gonna be sweet. Look at the cabbage, ladies and gentlemen. No pesticides. Look at them. You saw them nice and pretty? Look at them, how they're big. Look at the scallion them. See them? That's some huge scallion. See them? Look at the cabbage. See the corn? And this is the red peas. Look at them. See the cabbage? And this is the beet. Look at the beet, ladies and gentlemen. This is the beetroot. See that? This is also good for you. And I grow them right here. Those beet is like this. But them not ready yet. So soon as they're ready, I'll show you. See a next set of corn over here, ladies and gentlemen. I'm just going to show you how they look when I manure them. And this is the first set of corn when comes in. See them? See the corn, ladies and gentlemen, look at them. This is the first set of corn when it come in. See them? No fertilizer. No pesticide. Strictly manure. I use. You see them? Nothing biting their leaf. See them? They're nice and green and pretty. And this is my sugar cane springing up back. So we got they come in there. Nice. This is my red peas. These red peas is nice. They're gonna beer. Give me some good beer in. So, you know, so all of this we've been doing. See my colored greens, them ladies and gentlemen. Look at them. See how they're big and fluffy? Look at them.